Hola, me llamo Molly. Today we're going to be learning las presentaciones en español, which are introductions. In this video, we're going to be looking at the significado of the expressions, which is the meaning of the expressions. We're not going to be looking at the literal translations. That's going to be in the next video. Okay? So, las presentaciones, I encourage you after I say an expression for you to repeat it after me. So I might give you a break so you can practice the expression. Las presentaciones. Okay, so first, when you meet somebody that you haven't met before, you're going to probably want to say hola, which means hi. Hola. You'll want to say your name. Me llamo, and then your name. For me, me llamo Molly. Or me llamo Bob. My name's Bob. Me llamo, and then say your name. Me llamo Molly. Hopefully you didn't say me llamo Molly, unless your name's Molly. Now, if you say your name, you're going to want to probably ask what the other person's name is. You could do that by saying, Hola, me llamo Molly. If they're your own age, you would say, ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? Which means, and you? What's your name? Okay, try it. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? Now, there's one thing that you want to be aware of, though. To show respect, maybe to somebody who's older than you, or maybe it's a more formal situation, the right phrase to use would be y usted, which also means and you, but it's a more formal way to say it. Y usted, it shows respect. Instead of saying ¿Cómo te llamas? To somebody who's older or to somebody that you want to show increased respect to, you would say ¿Cómo se llama? Instead of ¿Cómo te llamas? So for example, Hola, me llamo Molly. ¿Y usted? ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Y usted? And you? ¿Cómo se llama? What's your name? Now, the person, when they say their name, you could shake their hands and say, mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Which means, nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. And they might respond back to you, el gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. El gusto es mío. Okay? So for example, Hola, me llamo Molly. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Bob. Mucho gusto. He would say, el gusto es mío. Okay? Mi amigo Bob. All right. And finally, now in las presentaciones, when you're introducing people, often you'll want to introduce somebody else. So here are two phrases you can use to do that. And let's say I'm introducing mi amigo, my friend. He is a boy, so I would actually use this expression. Okay? Este es mi amigo Marcos, or whatever his name is, which means this is my friend. Okay? Now just to notice, to say if it's a female friend, you would say esta es mi amiga Julia. This is my female friend. Okay? Notice that instead of este for a girl, you say esta. Instead of amigo, if it's a girl, you say amiga. So let's practice the expression for a boy. I'm introducing my friend, mi amigo. I would say, este es mi amigo Marcos. Este es mi amigo. If he's introducing me, because I'm a chica, he would say, esta es mi amiga. Esta es mi amiga. We're going to go over the meanings one more time. Las presentaciones are introductions. Hola, hello or hi. Me llamo Bob. My name's Bob. ¿Y tú? Or ¿y usted? Means and you. ¿Cómo te llamas? Or ¿cómo se llama if the person's older and you want to show respect. What's your name? Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. El gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. Este es mi amigo. This is my male friend. Esta es mi amiga. This es mi male friend. And those are las presentaciones, again going over the significado or the meaning of the expressions.